University too. Don't take it so seriously. Relax. You got this. My oil pressure sensor, somebody had already replaced that. I found that the old one laying on top of the transmission once I drew up my hole. The old one was laying right there on top of the transmission. It's designed for this sensor. If I can get a here. See, it fits right in there. I tried to use a socket, wire socket, but it didn't fit. This was designed for this oil pressure sensor. But it's in there this way, but you need this tool to get it out. So it's right next to the cam sensor, and the oil pressure sensor is right here. I can feel it. Has a wire connector on top. I believe you just it comes off, and you just unbolt it from the top of the engine, the back of the engine. Probably can't even show it. Anyway, that's where it goes. And I also ended up switching out my cam sensor. It was so cheap. I just switched it out, put a new one in. Connect the pull up on the tab, and it's pushed back on the tab. It comes right out. And I have a 10mm bolt. I was able to turn the boat with this little socket here, with a swivel head. There's probably the pressure. Just put it up there, and I was able to push back on it. It came right out. So let me finish getting the nut out here with that little bolt rather. It's right here. I heard that these seals can leak and cause oil to fly to pass them, so we're just going to switch them out. About 17 bucks. Slide it in place. Okay, I just heard it snap when I pushed it on in, so let me know that it's in place. Let me get my screw back and my little bolt back in there. Okay, trying to hold the camera and talk and record. Get it started here. Okay, tighten it down. But this is where I'm at. Getting this project done. It can be done, but it has to be planned. You have to gather all the information you can gather and gather all the tools you can gather and just do it. University 2, replacing that rear main seal on this 2004 Yukon Denali 1500. We're going to torque down these little boats here and get our show on the road, get our plate back up there and torque it down. We should be good to go.